Stand with your feet together, legs together. Draw your belly in, elongating the spine. Chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, and continue your Ujjayi breathing. In Tadasana, prepare for 3 rounds of sun salutation. Bring your palms together in front of the chest. Pranamasana, prayer pose. Inhale, arms up above your head to Hasta Uttanasana. Raise arm pose. Upper trunk slightly backward. Reach to the fingertips and lengthen the sides of the waist. Exhale, bend forward from the hips into Padahastasana, hand to foot pose, hands at the side of the feet. Option, slightly bend your knees. Maintain the hands. Inhale, step right foot back as far as comfortable. Lower the right knee down and extend the spine. Look forward into Ashwa Shanchalasana, equestrian pose. Keep your hands and right foot still. Exhale, take left foot back beside the right foot and raise the pelvis and hip between the arms into Parvatasana, mountain pose. Keep the spine long. Shoulders, hands are steady. Lean forward. Lower the knees, chest, chin down into Ashtanga Namaskara. Salute with 8 parts. Engage your abdominals. Keep the hands and feet in place. Inhale, gently slide the chest forward and raise the trunk and extend the spine and head up into Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Arms at the side of your body to support the trunk. Keep the elbows bent. Lift to the chest. Exhale, tuck toes, drop belly in, and press back up into Parvadasana, mountain pose. Ground your hands and feet into floor. Press the tops of the thighs back and extend the whole spine. Inhale, bring the left foot forward between the hands. Simultaneously lower the right knee down and push the pelvis forward. Lift the spine, look forward into Ashwa Shanchalasana, equestrian pose. Exhale, bring the right foot forward, next to the left foot into Padahastasana, hand to foot pose. Try to keep the knees straight and bring the forehead to the knees without straining. Inhale, lift the spine and arms in a straight line up to Hasta Uttanasana. Raise arm pose with the upper trunk slightly backward. Keep your legs strong. Exhale, bring the palms together to chest. Pranamasana, prayer pose. Left side, raise your arms up into Hasta Uttanasana. Lift to the spine and keep your abdominals engaged. Legs are steady. Exhale, reach your spine and arms out and bend forward from the hips into Padahastasana, hand to foot pose. Lean the hip more forward, stack the hip on top of your knees and ankles. Look behind and relax the back of the neck. Inhale, step left foot back as far as comfortable and lower the left knee down into Ashwa Shanchalasana, equestrian pose. Feel stretch on your left hip flexor. Keep your legs steady. Exhale, lift your hips and take the right foot back beside the left foot into Parvatasana, mountain pose, forming 2 sides of a triangle. Fingers are spread out, shoulders away from the ears. Lift to the chest, spine long. Press the heels down further. Lean the body forward, lower the knees, chest, chin down simultaneously into Ashtanga Namaskara. Salute with 8 parts. Make sure the chin is not only pressed down. Engage your abdominals. Hands are still. Inhale, gently slide the chest forward and raise the trunk and extend the spine and head up to Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Maintain a long spine. Legs stay close together. Gaze forward. Exhale, tuck the toes, push your hips up into Parvatasana, mountain pose. Keep breathing, keep the spine long. Press the heels down, fingers are all spread out. Inhale, bring the right foot forward between the hands and simultaneously lower the left knee down into Ashwa Shantalasana, egg cushion pose. Fully extend spine, gaze forward. Keep your legs steady. Exhale, bring the left foot forward next to the right foot into Padahastasana, hand to foot pose. Keep your abdominals engaged and back of the neck relaxed. Shoulders away from the ears, looking behind. Inhale, raise the spine and arms up into Hasta Uttanasana, raise arm pose. Fully extend spine, hip between the arms. Keep your legs steady. Exhale, pump the chest 2 more rounds. Inhale, arms up towards the ceiling. Feel a stretch on the front torso, hip between the arms. Exhale, bend forward from the hips. Feel a stretch on the hamstring and your back. Inhale, right foot step back far away, right knee down. Feel a stretch on right hip. Exhale, left foot step back, feet together. Keep the spine long. Press the heels down. Hold the breath, lean forward. Knees, chest, chin down. Inhale, slide the spine up. Feel a stretch on the front torso, gaze forward. Exhale, push your hip back. Long spine, keep your knees straight. Inhale, step left foot forward, right knee down. Feel a stretch on right hip and your front torso. Exhale, right foot step forward, feet together. Bend from the hips, looking behind. Inhale, spine, arms reaching up the ceiling in one straight line. As you exhale, palms towards your heart. Left side, inhale, reach your arms up, arch from the upper back. As you exhale, bend from the hips, lower the spine down, bring close towards your legs and body. In your left foot, step back far away, left knee down, reach your spine up, feel a stretch onto your left hip. Tuck toe, step back, feet together, long spine, engage your abdominals. Hold the breath in forward, knees, chest, chin down. As you inhale, slide the spine forward and up, chest open. Exhale, push your hip up, creating a long spine. Inhale, step right foot forward, left knee down, feel a stretch onto your left hip, reach your spine up. Exhale, left foot step forward, fold from the hips, long neck, long spine. Inhale, spine, arms up to standing, arching from upper back. Feel a stretch on the front torso. As you exhale, palms together. One more round, Pranamasana. Inhale, arms up into Hasta Uttanasana. As you exhale, left from the hips coming down to Pada Hastasana. Inhale, right foot step back, Ashwa Shanchalasana. Exhale, left foot step back, Parvatasana. Keep the spine long. Hold the breath, lean forward, knees touch chin down, Ashtanga Namaskara. In, slide up to Bhujangasana. Tuck toes. Exhale, hip back, Parvatasana. Inhale, left foot step forward, right knee down, Ashwa Shanchalasana. Exhale, right foot step forward, bend from the hip, Pada Hastasana. Inhale, arms, spine up into Hasta Uttanasana. As you exhale, Pranamasana. Last half round. Inhale, arms up, hands raising pose. As you exhale, bend from the hips, lower down, hand to foot pose. Inhale, left foot step back, left knee down, equestrian pose. Exhale, right foot step back, feet together into mountain pose. Long spine. Hold the breath, lean forward, knees touch chin down, 8 pose. Inhale, spine up to Cobra pose. Tuck toes. Exhale, hip back, mountain pose. Engage your abdominals. Inhale, step right foot forward, left knee down into equestrian pose. Exhale, left foot step forward together with the right side. Hand to foot pose. Inhale, long spine, reach our arms up. Hands raising pose. As you exhale, palms over the heart, prayer pose. Stay here with the eyes closed.